Hello everyone and welcome to English Path. Today we are starting a very special journey together. This is a journey to make our lives simple, peaceful, and full of meaning. We live in a busy world with too much noise, too much pressure, and a lot of confusion. But a simple life is not a dream that is far away. It starts with one small step, and that step begins right now. A simple life always begins with a quiet mind. When our head is full of stress and too many plans, life feels very difficult. To find peace, we must first learn how to clear our thoughts. Every day, your mind hears thousands of voices from the internet, work, and other people. This is mental noise. When your mind is too noisy, you cannot think clearly. You feel tired even before you start your day. How do we stop this noise? Try to stay away from your phone for the first 10 minutes of every morning. Sit in silence and give your mind space to breathe. Just like we clean a room, we must clean our thoughts. Next, learn to say no. Most of our stress comes from things we did not want to do. We agree to tasks that make us tired, and we stay in friendships that take away our energy. Simplicity begins when you start saying no to overthinking and no to things that are not important. Every time you say no to stress, you say yes to your own peace. Try to do only one thing at a time. Your mind gets confused when you try to do everything at once. When you multitask, you lose your focus and your energy. But when you do one task with all your heart, you finish it faster and with no stress. Every morning, ask yourself, what is the most important thing for me today? Do that first. Everything else can come later. Your mind also needs protection. Not every thought is true or helpful. If a thought is negative or makes you afraid, let it go. You are the driver of your mind. You decide which thoughts to keep and which ones to throw away. Finally, before you go to bed, sit for 5 minutes. Ask yourself, what made me feel heavy today? What can I change tomorrow? This helps you sleep better and wake up with a light heart. A simple mind builds a strong life. A simple life does not only happen inside your mind. It also happens in the world around you. Your environment affects your mood and your energy every day. If your mind is clean but your room is messy, your life will still feel difficult. Look around you right now. Your desk, your clothes, and your phone. Are they organized, or are they full of things you do not need? Physical mess creates a heavy mind. When you keep too many things, you waste time looking for them, and you feel tired for no reason. Start by removing what you do not use. Take 10 minutes today to clean a small space. Throw away old papers, broken items, or apps you never open. A simple life is not about having nothing. It is about having only what matters. Ask yourself, does this help me? Does this make me happy? If the answer is no, let it go. When you have fewer things, you have more peace. Your digital world is also your environment. If your phone is messy, your site will be messy. Delete the apps you do not need and turn off notifications that distract you. Every notification is a thief that steals your focus. A clean digital space helps you keep a calm heart. Remember that people are also part of your environment. Some people give you energy, and some people take it away. You do not have to be unkind, but you should choose your friends wisely. Spend time with people who are positive and honest. Your life becomes simpler when the people around you are healthy for your soul. Finally, make cleaning a small daily habit. You do not need to clean for hours. Just 2 minutes to arrange your bed or 1 minute to clear your desk can change your whole day. Small actions create big peace. Life becomes very hard when we do not control our time. A simple life starts when we use our time wisely and with a clear plan. Time is the most valuable thing we have in this world. You can always earn more money, but you can never get back a lost minute. To make your life simple, you must respect every hour of your day. Many people think they are busy, but they are actually just distracted. Take a look at your daily life. How much time do you spend on your phone? How many hours do you spend thinking too much or talking about things that do not matter? When you see where your time is going, your life immediately becomes easier to manage. Watch out for time leaks. These are small habits, like checking your phone every few minutes or watching just one more video. These small leaks steal your whole day without you noticing. To stop this, set a specific time for social media and finish one job before you start another. Do not try to do everything at once. A simple life is about doing the right things, not all the things. Every morning, choose only 3 important tasks for your day. We can call these your big 3. Maybe one task is for your work, one is for your health, and one is for your own learning. If you finish these 3, your day is a success. When you try to focus on 20 things, life feels messy. But when you focus on only 3, life feels clear. If a task looks too big or scary, break it into small steps. Instead of saying, I will study for 2 hours, just say, I will study for 20 minutes. Small steps take away the fear and help you move forward. It is also important to say no to people who waste your time. You do not have to join every conversation or go to every event. It is okay to say politely, I am focusing on something important right now. Protect your time like you protect your money. Finally, create a simple daily routine. You do not need a perfect plan. Just a clear one. Wake up at a fixed time, drink some water, and spend a few minutes in silence. A routine reduces confusion because you already know what to do next. Most importantly, stop rushing through your life. Many people run all day but reach nowhere. Go slow, but go in the right direction. When you slow down, you see the world clearly. And when you see clearly, life becomes simple. Our lives also become difficult when our emotions feel heavy. We often carry stress, anger, and sadness for a long time without realizing it. These feelings take away our energy and our happiness. To have a simple life, you need an emotionally free heart. Most of our pain comes from things that happened in the past. We remember old mistakes or people who hurt us, but holding on to these memories does not change what happened. Ask yourself if a thought is helping you today. If it is not, let it go. Your life becomes simple when you tell yourself that the past is no longer your home. Do not fight your emotions. Many people try to hide their sadness or anger, but this only makes life more complicated. If you feel sad, accept it. If you feel stressed, understand why. When you accept your feelings instead of fighting them, they lose their power. Be gentle with yourself and allow these feelings to pass naturally. You should also stop taking everything personally. If someone is rude or does not reply to your message, they are often just busy or dealing with their own problems. It is not always about you. When you stop worrying about what everyone else does, your heart will feel light and peaceful. Be careful with your emotional energy. It is like a treasure that you must protect. Do not waste it on arguments, drama, or people who always complain. If something brings you peace, keep it in your life. If something brings you trouble, let it go. Practice emotional minimalism by reacting less and being more patient. Sometimes, the best thing you can do is just rest. You do not always need a solution or a plan. Sometimes you just need to sit quietly, breathe, and be kind to your tired heart. When you let go of what hurts, you create space for the feelings that make you strong. Life becomes heavy when we put too much pressure on ourselves. We try to be perfect, and we try to make everyone happy. But a simple life is not about being perfect. It is about being at peace. Stop trying to be the best at everything. You do not need to be perfect to be good enough. Progress is much better than perfection. Every small step you take is a success. Stop comparing your life to the people you see on your screen. Their journey is not your journey. Everyone moves at a different speed, and that is okay. You are not in a race with anyone else. When you stop looking at what others have, you can finally enjoy what you already own. You should also stop trying to please everyone. If you try to make every person happy, you will lose your own happiness. People will always have their own opinions, but you must respect yourself first. It is okay if some people do not understand you. Do not carry too much on your shoulders. Sometimes we take on problems that are not ours. You cannot fix everything for everyone. It is okay to say that you need help or that you cannot do something right now. Give yourself simple goals that you can actually finish. Instead of trying to change your whole life today, just try to be a little bit better than you were yesterday. When your goals are simple, you feel more success and much less stress. Slow down your life. Do not rush your decisions or your words. Take your time to breathe and think. Be kind to yourself like you are kind to a best friend. Forgive yourself when you make a mistake and give yourself credit for the hard work you do. You do not have to be strong every single minute. Finally, look for happiness in the small moments. A warm cup of tea, a quiet walk, or a good talk with a friend. These small things are where real joy lives. When you let go of the pressure to be perfect, your life becomes calm and beautiful. A simple life becomes possible when we stop giving our energy to the wrong things. Many people feel stressed because they focus on problems and drama instead of peace and solutions. To live simply, you must learn to focus on what truly matters and let go of everything else. Ask yourself, what is most important to me? What makes me feel happy and proud? Most of the things that make you worry are actually not that important in the long run. When your priorities are clear, your life feels much lighter and easier to understand. Choose your people carefully. Not everyone deserves a place in your heart or your daily time. Stay close to those who respect you, encourage you, and help you grow. Let go of relationships that bring only noise and sadness. Remember that happiness does not come from having many objects, but from valuing what you already own. When you want less, you feel more free. Focus on your own growth instead of looking for the approval of others. Every night, ask yourself if you learned something new or if you were kind today. Living in the present moment is the best way to stay calm. Your worries usually live in the past or the future, but in the present moment, you are safe and at peace. A simple life is not something that happens by accident. It is something you build every day with your small choices. Choose peace over stress. Choose focus over confusion. Choose kindness over anger. When you focus on what is truly important, the unnecessary things will slowly disappear. Your life will become calmer, clearer, and more beautiful in a natural way. Thank you for joining us on this journey today at English Path. If this message helped you, please like this video and share it with a friend who needs more peace. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more stories and lessons to help your English and your life. Take care, stay focused, and keep your life simple. We will see you in the next video.